Leetcode daily challenge 3379. Transform the array. This question is asking us to form a new array of result based on three rules. First rule is if it is 0, we keep it at 0. The second one, we have a index. If this is a positive number, then we move it right to right and get the new number I. But if it is a negative number, we're gonna move it to the left. It'll be something like this. But if it is a negative number, then the abstract value of that number will be minus number I. So in this case, minus and minus, actually it is a plus, which means condition number 2 and the condition number 3 are actually the same. So the solution we're gonna solve this problem just to create the new result array with two rules, this one and this one. That's the solution we're gonna solve this problem.